Take a ride in the 2018 Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a good-looking crossover with bold styling. An 8-inch infotainment screen offers the latest in technology and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.